In this video we will be explaining how to use the Namespace Configurator for OPC Server namespace. First we will run configuration software. Now we should set computer's communication protocol, which can be Ethernet, serial port, or CTNet. We will choose Ethernet. Then we will add a drive to network. There are some parameters description files. These parameters description files are installed with software. Now my drive is added to network. We can define a name. And we can change drive address. Then select drive type. Our drive type is this one. And our drive mode is RFCS. Now initial settings are OK. Then we have to decide what parameters we want to communicate with. For example, we will choose menu 1 and parameter 1. As you can see, menu 1 parameter 1 is added to parameters list. This parameter description comes from parameter description file. Data type and access type also come from description file. This is OPC node ID. Access 1 drive menu 1 parameter 1. We can use this checkbox, use drive names in OPC node IDs. If this option is not checked, then we will see address of drive here. We can add user description for parameters. And we will see the description in OPC node ID column. This can be disabled using this option. Use user parameter description in OPC node IDs. Now we delete the parameter we used for training. And we add a real parameter. Parameter 1 to 100. Now all parameters are listed. From 1 to 54. Let us add some other parameters. Now we see that we can expand and collapse lists. Suppose that there is an SI application module in slot 3. Menu 70, parameter 1 to 100. As you can see, access 1, slot 3, menu 70, and parameter 1. If I do not have parameter description file, Then I can add a parameter manually. And I will have to set these settings. Parameter 5 to 7. Data type. Access type. And decimal points. There is an explanation here. Parameters from 5 to 7 are added. I can add another drive here. Or delete a drive. Or I can duplicate a drive. First we rename it. And then set drive address. Then save it. Every drive must have unique name and address. This file is to be used in OPC Server.